Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Get ready to be impressed by the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor. Despite its budget-friendly price, this machine packs a punch. With standard chopping, shredding, and slicing tools, this device handles a variety of kitchen tasks. It even includes a special plastic blade for dough. You have 3 speed settings to choose from: slow kneading, medium speed for coarse chopping, or high speed for fine mincing and pureeing soft fruits. Everything but the base is dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free. However, small amounts of ingredients can sometimes get stuck beneath the high-mounted blade. When whipping up mayonnaise, the egg yolk and mustard tended to stick. The shredding blade also left some cheese lodged in the lid, though it handled larger amounts of onion and zucchini with precision. Construction isn't top-notch. Assembling parts can feel unintuitive. Water trapped inside pieces in the dishwasher is a slight downside for long-term use. Yet its performance and features are hard to beat in this price range. What we love most is its versatility. From dough kneading to fine pureeing, it delivers. If you want an appliance that offers great value without breaking the bank, this one's for you. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.